How to fix fail to log in invalid session in Minecraft. So if you're having this issue where you're trying to log into your Minecraft account and you're getting this error message, then to fix this, we need to open up the start menu on your computer, go and search for Task Manager and click on this window. Click on the search box at the top and search for Minecraft. And then you need to right click on Minecraft and also the Minecraft launcher, and you need to click on End Task. Now, once you've shut down all Minecraft related processes, you can then close out of this window. You can try launching back up Minecraft and you can check to see if that solves your issue. You can also try signing out and signing back into your account. That's another way to go and solve this. Now, if it's still not working, open up your start menu, search for Control Panel and click on this window. In the top right hand side, make sure View By is set to large icons. Click on Network and Sharing Center. In the left hand side, click on Change Adapter Settings. Right click on your Wi-Fi connection and click on Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 and then select Properties. Change at the bottom where it says Obtain DNS server address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses, and then type in 8888.8844 and press OK and close out this window. Now the last step is to open up your start menu and search for CMD and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. Now just type in ipconfig /flush DNS and press enter. Then type in netsh /winsock reset and press enter. Now once you've done that, you'll need to go and restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, that would have now fixed the Minecraft error. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.